Welcome to Jnanalakshmi channel, Python Classroom 2.0. Please make sure the user has admin privileges to do these maintenance activities. I assume that you know how to download the Python release from Downloads website. Install Python software on Windows and validate the installation by doing the tests. In this session, I am going to show you how to modify, repair, and uninstall the Python installation on Windows. Once Python has been installed, then only you can modify, repair, and uninstall the Python installation using installer in maintenance mode. Modify Python installation on Windows. Open Settings window and select Add or Remove Programs. The App and Features window will appear as like shown here. You can add or remove features through the Add or Remove Programs tool that is a part of Windows. Select the Python 3.8.5 entry. Click on Modify. Python Modify Setup pop-up window will appear to process the add or remove features. Click on Modify. The user can select or unselect the checkboxes in Optional Features window and in an Advanced Options window. Depends on their requirement which features they want to modify and update the installation. Some options cannot be changed in this mode, for example such as the installation directory. To modify these, you will need to remove and then reinstall Python completely. Please make sure to restart the system after modify completed. Modifying an installation completed successfully. Please make sure to validate the Python installation after doing any maintenance activity. Repair Python installation on Windows. Repair will verify all the files that should be installed using the current settings and replace any that have been removed or modified. Why do we need to repair the installation? Sometimes the files or folders of Python installation directory deleted mistakenly by the users, and also there are chances the binary is corrupted due to the system crashes. So we fix this issue by repairing the installation. Here in this case, Python 3.8.5 version is used. It may be a different in your case. So please make sure to use the right installer version. Please use the same version of Python release for repair on which Python was installed. If the required version of Python release not available in the system, please download it from python.org/downloads website. Please note that move this downloaded Python release file to a permanent location so that you can install Python or reinstall if necessary. Open the Explorer where the Python 3.8.5 installer executable available and then double click the file. Click on Repair. This will start repairing the installation. The Python setup pop-up window will appear. Here I am skipping the installation process to show for saving the time. Generally it will take 2 to 3 minutes to complete the process, depends on your system performance. Please make sure to restart the system after repair completed. Repair completed successfully. Uninstall Python on Windows. The uninstallation of Python will remove the selected version of Python entirely and also remove all entries of specific Python from the system completely, except Python Launcher for Windows, which has its own entry in programs and features. Open Settings window and select Add or Remove Programs. The App and Features window will appear as like shown here. You can add or remove features through the Add or Remove Programs tool that is a part of Windows. Select the Python 3.8.5 entry and click on Uninstall to open the installer in maintenance mode. Python uninstall setup pop-up window will appear to process the uninstallation. Uninstallation completed successfully. Please check the Python entries exist or not in the Start menu, Add or Remove Programs, and in Command Line window as like shown here. Please make sure to restart the system after uninstallation completed. If you have any questions, please write it on comment section. I will be reply back as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe the channel and click on bell icon for latest updates.